How is everyone going? Welcome to the stream. Okay, can you hear me, guys? Let's see. How is everyone going? Welcome to the stream. Okay, can you hear me, guys? Let's see. Okay, the audio is perfect. Tell me you can hear me, okay? Alright, so today is the special day, the wait day. Today, I will be announcing the giveaway winner. And of course, we'll be doing more things around the live stream. As you can see right over, here, I have the countdown. So we have approximately 1 hour until we announce the winner. So hello to everyone in the chat. Thanks for tuning in. And yeah, so while we wait until the giveaway announcement, we'll be doing some cool stuff in Unreal Engine or whatever we prefer. Okay, and of course you can ask me as always any questions that you have. So with that said, we can begin. So, what do you guys want to see? You guys want to basically make another prototype game in Unreal Engine while we wait, or what do you want to see? You know what? I will go ahead and pull up a poll over here. So, welcome everyone to the stream. So let's do a poll. And what do we do now until the announcement, the giveaway announcement? Okay, so we can put make UE prototype, just chat. Okay, there we go, 2 options. Of course you can put whatever you want in the chat, but there we go. Will the record of the stream be on the channel? Yes, all my live streams will be saved always for later, so if you want to see them later on. What's up, Pro Launchpad? How's it going, man? What's up, Indian Portals? What's up, Gaming Room? How's it going? Welcome everyone in the chat. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, definitely make UE prototype is winning. Okay, so we definitely will have to do that. So what product do we make? So I guess I will need to do no poll. Yeah, definitely 100%. We have 80% of, make UE prototypes. So guys, give me ideas in the chat right now of prototypes that we want to see in Unreal Engine, and we'll see what is the best option. Okay, so go ahead and just start dropping them in the chat. Okay. Also, tomorrow, big video is coming out. Okay, very cool videos coming out. So, just be aware, I guess we could say. Hopefully, it will drop out tomorrow. And then on Tuesday, we'll probably go back in another episode of the RPG series, and then we'll casually again drop out other normal tutorials as always. Okay, I'm seeing Fortnite, sci-fi as it is in the giveaway, and RPG, Fortnite, recreate Minecraft, open world, a game open world. Okay, all right. Missile launcher, rock paper scissors horror, Fortnite. Man, okay, you know what? Let's put a poll, because if not, I think we're not gonna decide. So I'm gonna put the things that you guys were putting on. So what game do we make? So we had there something open world. Very general. Actually not, it has to be more concrete. Okay, so the guys that you're putting open world, please be more specific, I guess put me like a reference game, we could say. Okay, so we have Minecraft. Actually, you know, maybe that would take too much time because we have to do procedural world generation in Basel. That's kind of crazy. Continue this survival game from last stream. I think that's you know, I'm gonna put that. I think that will be the most the best option, honestly. So continue survival game. Continue the horror game. Do you remember we were also doing a horror game the other stream? So continue horror game, and then let me add another option. Shooter game. Like Plague Tale Requiem. Yeah, like a story game, do you mean? We can do like a type of story game, like Uncharted, something like that. Remake also evolved. Okay, so I have just dropped the poll. There's a few options because of course I cannot put every single option that I see. You have very good ideas, but let's see. So let's see which one will win. Yeah. Story game, Uncharted is winning. I don't know. Continue survival game. Okay, so Uncharted and continue with survival game are very balanced. Let me start opening the Epic Games launcher. Who will win? Let's see. Oh, now Uncharted is winning. Now survival game is winning. Oh, this is interesting. It's very balanced. So let's see which one wins. Okay, wait, and just to drop this here, if you haven't already, go ahead and join the Discord server. It's literally one of the best ways to, you know, get in touch with our community, and you can ask any questions, you can put your game progress and so on, and I always try to be active there. Of course, sometimes I cannot be super active, but I always try when I have spare time. So, you know, link in the description. And of course, guys, if you haven't already, you know, participated in the game jam, go ahead and do so. So let's go ahead and just wait. My goodness, okay, I think Uncharted is harder to win. I will leave it a few more minutes, okay? My idea. Omar, which one was your idea, the Uncharted or the survival game? Yeah, of course we are not gonna make Uncharted. We are gonna we're gonna make that the basic aspect of it, like the locomotion, objectives, and a level, you know, with some enemies. Like yes, of course, Uncharted is like the reference of the concept, but we are making it, of course, only a few features. You know, it's impossible to make Uncharted like in a live stream, you know. Unless the live stream is like for 2 years. So, okay, story game Uncharted wins, 40%. We finished this. Uncharted wins. So, let's go ahead and begin. Let's create a new project, guys. Do we do it in the 5.2 and we utilize the new procedural building world generation things? Another poll. Actually, no, that's my decision. We will be doing it in 5.2, okay, the newest versions. Let's go ahead and open this up. I will share my screen in a second once I have the project opened. We'll see. Okay. Yeah, 5.2 will be the best option, basically. Like, come on. I do have a tutorial on the new procedural content generation plugin, so if you want to check it out, go ahead. But I can explain a few more things in the live stream, and we'll do the level utilizing that technology and so on. So, you know, it will be cool. So let's go ahead and just wait until the project opens. Hopefully it won't take a lot. Yeah. 4.27. Yeah, I mean, you know, first of all, I don't have Unreal Engine 4 installed in this PC, but like, you know, we're gonna use the latest tech. You know, so we'll see. Try to remake Bromelite next stream. you know, Hitman Gaming, that would be a such good idea. Like honestly, I would like to do like a video or devlog, something like that. Going ahead and recreating my Unity Steam game in Unreal Engine 5 with the latest tech, you know, that would be cool. So I'll keep that in mind. Alright, so let me create a third-person template, and it will just be like Uncharted live stream. Again, we are not gonna make Uncharted. It's the inspiration, I guess we could say. Of course, in blueprints, and there we go. 5.2 create. Alright, so just leave it 1 minute until it opens up, and we'll begin. Thanks to everyone who's subscribing to the channel and everyone right now in the chat. So let's see. All right. So if you guys have any questions at all or whatever, you can go ahead and put them in the chat, and I'll do my best to respond and so on. Okay. So let's see. Can I work in game dev with my knowledge in Unreal Engine? Well, absolutely. I mean, it depends, of course. But I guess that since you're learning is the best occasion. So, and I think that there's a learning curve that maybe some people find that is you know, very steep or somewhat not. But overall, once you get started and you get the main concepts, then it's a bit easier to continue on, you know, in my opinion, kind of. So I do suggest that you continue on, of course, and I believe you can do so. Are you gonna continue working the RPG series? Well, in this specific live stream not, but of course the series will continue in videos. So yeah, I really want to thank you. The tutorials you made help me make a game that I will present in an international fair. Oh, that's so good. That's so good, Jenna. Really proud, really proud. I'm glad that my tutorials are useful. Where are you from? I'm from Spain, from the Canary Islands. Okay, man, this is taking a bit. I believe that I have it installed in my SSD drive, so hopefully the part will go soon and fast. It's like a 45% granted part. The thing is that I'm live streaming at the same time, and it kind of consumes, you know, a lot of power, kind of. And I have to upgrade my PC. I will do so very soon because there's certain packs that really, you know, goes ahead and restricts me. But let's go ahead and see. Okay, we are in 96%. Okay, opened, pretty much. Okay, here we go, opened. So let me share my screen. Here we go. Let me share this audio here. The working music, let me lower it. So again, you have here the timer, so you can just be up to date, but it will be basically at 7:30, so 7:30 and CET Madrid. Okay, in 40 minutes, pretty much. Okay, so here we are in Unreal Engine 5.2. So the first thing that I like to do when I open a new engine version is change the content browser to be attached, because I don't like to continuously press Ctrl space and then open up and close it. No. I like just to go into window and then go into content browser and just snap it down, make it smaller, and then decrease the height and the zoom in. I do recommend so because yeah. So let me also put the chat over here so I can see you guys. There we go. So just give me 1 second once I set up. Okay, here we go. Great. Alright, so let's get started. Do you like how UE 5.1 changed the templates? Do you mean in terms of input? It did change from the normal input system to the enhanced input system. And at the start it was a bit confusing, but once you get started and you understand the process, it does actually make sense on why they did it, and actually is more efficient than just having one huge collection of inputs in the price settings. It's like now we have individual assets, and it's a bit more convenient, honestly, when you're gonna make a big game. So at the start it was like why they did this, and then later on it's a bit better. Yeah, I believe they also changed the hands for the character, the FPS. That was okay. I think it was a good upgrade. Okay, so let's begin right now. We just can press play. We have our queen here as always, and we can walk through the scene and basically do nothing. Now guys, I have a question. Do you want to get the ALS system on it, or do we like continue with our locomotion? What do you do? Let me put a poll here. Let's do a poll. Let's do here. How do we do so here? Okay. And do we use ALS? If you don't know what ALS is, it's basically it's sí o no in Spanish. I don't know why. Okay. Well, now you will learn a bit of Spanish with me, I guess. Basically, if you don't know what ALS means or is, it's basically an asset pack with a very advanced locomotion system. And we'll also import a Metahuman. So we'll have top-notch things over here. Okay, so it started being with yes, and now it's with no. It's a bit balanced there. They're fighting between the two. Okay, now yes is going up again. Okay, now yes is winning. So, yes, okay. Okay, yes is now winning by quite a lot, kind of. ALS in UE 5.1. Yes, actually UE 5.2. I am 5.2. I just created program 5.2, and yes, again just migrate the assets. Okay. Yes is winning now by a lot. I'm gonna leave it 2 minutes more, but honestly, I'm gonna start opening the other product. Okay, so let me open the product where I have ALS, and I just go ahead and import it. Okay. What game I'm making like a inspiration from Uncharted. Basically, it will be like a story game. Of course, very simplistic, very simple concepts. We'll basically have a character, a level that we can run. We'll have some items that we can pick up. We have some enemies, so on. Basically in the Uncharted style. Okay. So as the poll is winning, we'll probably use ALS. Well, yes. Okay. We'll use ALS, and let's see. What's your best advice when you start making a game prep? How do you know which idea is the best? For example, should you have several ideas? Yes, that is the hardest part. That is the part that I always confuse a lot, because maybe you want to make a game and you start with that game, but then like a week later you see like this new trailer for this new game, and like, oh, now I want to make a game like that one, and then you're like all the time think of making that other game, but you already started, and it's a mess. So it is very hard to pull it off, honestly. Okay, it's very hard, but overall it's just, I guess, having a Trello. Do you know what is a Trello? It's basically like an app to organize. You put all the ideas, and maybe you have a team, and if not using your own, you go and analyze what you have to do, what would be the best thing for you, the easiest thing, and what you honestly just feel is better. There's a lot of things you have to have in mind. So with no more distractions, let me go ahead and open this. So here it is, ALS. Let me open up, I'll migrate it, and let's see. Hopefully it will open up quickly, because, well, I have it in a external drive. So let's see how much it takes to open. So yeah, apologies for that. It kind of takes a bit to get started, but then we'll see. Can you make a shooting system in ALS? Yes, we can actually. I think we'll add a weapon to our character. So we'll do so, yeah. And also while ALS is opening up, let me go and import a Metahuman. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, so just give me a second and I'll go ahead and do so. Will it be okay to build and publish games in Blueprint only? Yeah, it's totally fine. I mean, it's like it's another language almost, and honestly a lot of devs are now pretty much utilizing more Blueprints than C++. Now, the thing is that you have to consider things about optimization and what's more convenient, but if you're getting started, Blueprints 100%. There's no problem with that. You know, it's not like if a game has C++, it's just better and the other one is worse. No, it's the way of building it. There's a lot of ways. Maybe one is more convenient, maybe another one is less. It depends, so don't worry about that. Oh, what source control do you think is the best for UE5? Yeah, so there are, you know, a lot of alternatives here. You know, we have I'm opening the project, guys. Also, I also imported the Metahuman. So we have GitHub, we have Bitbucket, but the best one, I believe it was called Perforce UE4. Yeah, Perforce is one of the best ones that I'm hearing right now. Like, people are very happy with it because it manages to synchronize very large items in a very quick amount of time, and also it manages to split the scene into packets, so multiple people can work in the same scene and so on. It's very, very convenient. So yeah, but the problem, like you have just mentioned, is that Perforce is not very user friendly. At the start, it might be a bit more complicated than GitHub, for example, of course. So yeah, how can you create a tutorial, how to create a game UE with your team? Yeah, I can do so. I mean, I already have a source control tutorial, but it's just how to set it up. It's not really how to start managing things. So if you want, I can get more in depth into that. But we'll see. What happened to Bromelight? Well, right now in Bromelight, I am currently working on the final boss stage, basically the end game of the game, and also going ahead and adding, well, fixing all different problems that they are, bugs and stuff. So in a short amount of time, the update should be live, and we'll go from pre-alpha to alpha, and then hopefully with a bit more time, it will go into full release. So yeah. So, you know, we'll have to see. Okay. Come on. My PC is extremely slow today because of the live stream. Hopefully. Oh, well, quick. Sorry about that. Guys, half an hour left until the giveaway announcement. You can see there. So, you know, if you haven't ready, first link in the description, you can enter. So, come on, it doesn't even let me type. It's so bugged. Like, it's so bugged that it's like bugged, you know? So we'll see. Come on. Because right now I am also opening the ALS and also importing Metahuman. So Metahumans are expensive, you can, as you know. So come on, please enter. How's the audio also? Is it good? How's the audio also? Is it good? Wait, why does it sound like weird? Wait, why does it sound... no, it was because of my speaker. Sorry. Okay. Okay. Everything is opening up. Please. It's 5.1.1 and 5.2 build compared to 5.0.3. There is certain aspects that yes, and other things that are improved. Overall, it's an improvement. There are many more features. A lot of performance has been upgraded. Optimization is just better overall. So honestly, it's not more buggy compared to 5.0.3, but there's certain aspects that I feel like they were a bit smoother 5.3, but I don't know, maybe just me. Now you can make a new thing like the 10 game special. Well, definitely, as we get into different milestones and goals, of course I will be doing more specials, of course. So absolutely. Thank you for whoever subscribed. All right. What service to use for streaming? I use OBS, as every YouTuber or streamer does. You know. Okay. So just leave me 1 second. It is a bit hard to find for my PC to open up. But let's see. Thank you, Stux. Thank you, mate. How to learn blueprints, but YouTubers say it is easy. Well, I mean, honestly, I feel like if you get started, you manage to get started. It's pretty easy compared to other node-based systems, or even C++ or C# or whatever. It's kind of easier to understand the concepts. Really, just getting started. And first of all, I recommend you seeing tutorials. For example, I have a beginner blueprint tutorial, so you want to go ahead and check it out. If you want, I can make more, but basically, just get started with some online tutorials, and then if you want, you can get into courses and get a bit more professional, maybe. So we'll see. Is it possible to convert blueprints to C++ in one click for better implementation? No. I believe that they were doing it to kind of do that, so you can read the blueprint code in C++, but it's like an experimental or even not out. So at the moment, no, and no. You will have to transfer it manually. It's quite a job, honestly. Even if you have like programming experience, because yeah. But yeah, I got 26 minutes. All right, 26 minutes left. Who will win? Hopefully the winner will be in the live stream. You know, I guess that will be better. I mean, probably someone will win and everyone in the chat will be, it's me, but we'll see. Love your RPG series, man. Got me back into game development. Really appreciate all your efforts, dude. Thank you, Luke. Really appreciate it. I'm glad that you're enjoying the RPG series, and yeah, we'll continue on with the RPG series. I believe we're already in episode 17. Like, the next one's 18, I believe. And we're already like going deep in the equipment system. So the next thing will be basically getting that data from the slot and transferring it into our character, so we can already equip it into our hands and so on. So we'll be starting to be functional, and also we need to do that. Each slot has a specific catalog of items, and then that's pretty much it. Yeah. Okay. So. Sorry guys, you're only seeing my face, not Unreal Engine, but it's taking a while to kind of open the ALS and import the Metahuman, so just be patient for some moments, okay? Okay, here we go. I'm just gonna import a random Metahuman that I have here already in my thing. Where are you from? From Portugal? No, I'm from Spain. I guess that, I mean, they're very close together, but people could confuse Spanish people to Portugal, maybe? I don't know. Close friends. Oh yeah, I remember you, that you basically could let me know how to use Marvelous Designer. That would be cool. One day you can show me. Okay. Come on, this is taking too much time. Alright, it's important now. Okay, good. How is the other pride? I don't even know how it's opening. But we'll see. Let me open the Epic Games Launcher real quick. So yeah, tomorrow we'll have a really cool video that took me kind of a while to make and put all together, and hopefully it will be tomorrow. And then the next day we'll have another RPG series, probably episode, and then another tutorial, and we'll see how it goes. You know, we'll see how it goes, and yeah. And yeah, about Patreon and YouTube members. So you know, it has been really requested by a lot of people through already a lot of time ago. So I am in that consideration. So they basically make a poll in Discord and YouTube on what you prefer, and the poll was mainly into YouTube members, but the ones that commented were more into Patreon. So still I was to see. Now, in terms of YouTube members or Patreon, whatever comes out, it will be only an extra thing, so it will not affect whatsoever the current content of the channel. It's just an extra thing, and you will obtain many benefits, as first of all, accessing the private files for upcoming tutorials, and also being able to be on private Discord channels where you can have extra support and so on. We can do more things together there, and then also you will be able to play my test games in a live stream all together with me, and I think that will be cool. And hint, tomorrow, the video of tomorrow kind of relates into that. And then, you know, more things as I receive feedback and so on, of course. So yeah. Okay, come on. We are 90% of the Metahuman, and ALS. Okay, LAS opened. Okay, it opened. Let me share. I can now share the screen. Alright, so here we have ALS. So go ahead and export the character. So if we just select the character in the scene, you can see it's very slow. I'm selecting it, it's taking a while. Come on, like literally my mouse froze in the editor. But just give it 2 moments. Come on. Okay, now what is happening? You guys see my screen, right? Oh, there you go. Now things are loading. Okay, Ctrl B. Okay, now we are back with Cooper. Installing the Metahuman. Okay, select this, Ctrl B. Here, so really it's as easy as just right-clicking and exporting this guy. But I'm gonna export the whole folder because I think it will be more convenient. We won't need to pass things into the new enhanced input system, but it will be a good thing. So let's go into migrate. Okay, gather dependencies, yes. And everything in that folder. All right, so let me go ahead and import it real quick. Okay, it will be in projects, Uncharted Live, content, select. It should be pretty quick, so just give it a second, and I will do so. Okay. Okay, content migration successfully. Okay, we have here Cooper. Let's go ahead and enable this, enable this, enable this. As you know, we have to basically restart now. We have to restart this, and that's pretty much it. Okay, so this is not the part. Okay, I was migrating things, but now once we open up the project, which is open up here, we'll have ALS to 5.2 and also a Metahuman. So we'll do all that. So let's see. So yeah, sorry about you having to wait a lot, but you can see my computer is struggling a bit to, you know, take time to load it. But yeah, 20 minutes to the winner. That will be interesting. And yes, as I mentioned before, if you haven't already, go ahead and join the Discord server, and we can, you know, talk more in there. things like that. So let's go ahead and just wait. Okay, 45%. Okay, just wait 2 seconds. Hopefully it will load. And 45%. Come on. It's taking a while, huh? It's 45% compiling shaders. Hopefully it will be quick. Let's see. I was thinking about adding a new game mode that will allow players to customize their characters. Yeah, game mode. But do you mean like a customization screen? Or what in that do you mean? Okay. Okay, still Shadow. I'll reach you out in Discord whenever, you know, we have time, whatever. Yeah, absolutely. Okay, let's go ahead and open this. Unreal Engine Live, so everything should be now done. Okay, so we have ALS here. So really, it should be as easy as going into the game mode and changing the game mode to be ALS. Game mode, single player, and then with that, okay, say play, and now we should be with ALS, as you can see here. Now we cannot move because of course it's with the new input. So let's go ahead and open up the blueprints. So we have to open the player controller class. I believe the control is there. Maybe it's in the blueprint character itself. Yeah, probably is here, or in the parent. It's in the parent. On jumped, landed, event graph, player input graph. Here we go. Here it is. Okay. So we have to change this. Do you guys see the screen well? Yeah, I believe so, right? 16 minutes, hey guys. So here we have the thing. So we have to create new inputs. In our case, there's already one created for us, EA from the default levels. So it should be on EA move. So go on triggered, and then yeah, that should be there. And in move, it should be there. There we go. I should be able to move now. I cannot move. Okay. Forwards, backwards. Oh, of course, because we haven't. So I have to go into the main event graph, go into the gameplay, and then add the enhanced input. So we can go into the third person blueprints and just pretty much just copy that. So in here we can just cast to the play controller and do this. Add mapping context. Let's do that. Let's put this here. Now it's another player controller. In this case we're using the LAS play controller, so let's do so. Cast to ALS controller, player controller. So that will be this, that will be this, and that will be this here. And now we can close this. Okay, so let's put this here. Now yes, we should be able to move. We can't move yet. Let's see, input actions, move to this in a 2D axis vector, and in the collection, and move. We have WASD. We have everything. It's very strange. Let's go back into the player input graph. It's for access. No, I see, that's the difference. But at least I think I should like move the player, honestly. But it doesn't matter. Let's do the camera input. So actually we have to create the camera input, right? It's not there. I mean, we can use mouse. Oh, there's an EA look. Let's put that one there. Oh, that's the look one. Okay. Then we can right click, get the value to X and Y. So in the look down, we'll be getting the what was the X-axis, the Y-axis. Let's put that one, and then in here we'll do the same but with the Y-axis. Okay, so now we can move up and down. It's the other way around. This one should be this, and this one this. Okay, now yes. Now see, I can move, but it doesn't matter. Jump, we'll fix it in a second. This will be on started, and then on completed, stop jumping. And that'll be it. So we'll have some warnings because of the other thing, but it doesn't matter. So now we can jump, as you can see. Great. We also have a walk action, sprint action. Okay, doesn't matter. So do we have to split the movement into forwards and backwards? Maybe we have to do so. I mean, let's do W, just to see. It's basically that. Let's do W. No. Okay, that's weird. It's because of the controller. Let me get a controller out just in case, but I don't think it's the controller. It's just not working directly. So that's weird. Okay, there's just 10 minutes left pretty much for the winner. Are you nervous? Okay, doesn't matter. This is just an entire movement. Walk action. Let's do shift. Left shift. So press here and released. Let's put this one here. And then in this is just a walk action. So if I hold shift, I should be able to change between the two, but of course I'm gonna move. So I cannot test that. I'm gonna create a new input. Let's do that. So let's go into here, actions. Let's go into input, action, EA underscore forward. Just move forward, and then this is gonna be a 1D axis float. Let's get this, and this will be move right. And because I duplicated it, it should be the same. Let's go into the collection, and I should be able to add it. And I can just go into move forward, W, and add an S and the modifier. What is it? Is that it will be, wasn't here, it was a, oh, that's a trigger modifier, negative. So we'll invert it because S is going back. I'll do the same with the move right here. Okay, D, and then we'll also add A, but A will have the modifier of negative, so it'll be the opposite. Let's go back here. Let's get the move out, EA. Let's do move forward. On triggered, we'll go into this one, and then on EA move right, trigger will go into the other one. All right, let's do that. Thank you so much for RP tutorials. It's a huge help for my end project. I really appreciate that you I enjoy my RPG tutorial series. I'm glad that you found it helpful, so thank you a lot. And yes, we'll continue with the series. Hopefully we'll get to the point when we can start integrating everything that we're doing together into one piece and starting seeing like what we're doing. But yeah, we're advancing very fast actually. Okay, Murad, okay, it's okay, don't worry. Okay, so here we are. I can still not move. Why is that? Wait, am I in which mode am I? Overlay state queues. Edition modes 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. Maybe some things are overriding, but it should not have that problem. So here and here. Movement input, forward access, and the other one. Look up and down. We are not using that one. That thing works. Oh, it didn't connect it into the. Okay, let's do a sequence here. It seems that I don't need to do that, but oh, that was the problem. That was fixed. Okay. Okay. And now jumping works. Great. Fixed it. Sprinting should work, but I cannot test it because, well, I cannot walk. So there we go. I'm more sprinting, aiming, and camera. We'll go as we go for sprinting, aiming, and so on. Now, in terms of movement, it can still not go. But here we have a warning. Okay, we cannot move because of this. We had a warning inside here. So get move backwards. So do we have a new one? Get move right. Okay, this is the value. So I mean, we can pass it as a value, so it doesn't matter. Let's go here, get the action value, and pass it as a new node, as a new input. The access value. 6 minutes left. In 1 minute, I'll also open up the page to set up everything up. And then action value on this one will go here. So in the play movement, we can just get those value and put it on here. That will be the same for both. And that should, there we go. That fixed it. Now we can run, jump, and do everything. Okay, so now it's great. You can see everything is working. Good, so now it's time to plug in our Metahuman too. So let me start loading it in memory because let's open the copper. Okay, I'm nervous. Let's go open Gleam. Okay, so winners in just a second, guys. Gleam, okay. Okay, here we are. So we had more than 300 participants and more than 1,200 entries. That is mind-blowing. That is so crazy. Thank you guys so much for the support you given with the giveaway. So let's see who will win this sci-fi environment. Let's see. Sorry, more than 1,500 entries. There are 5 minutes left. So if you haven't already, go ahead and first link in the description. You can participate. Here we have the timer. So let's see. And who will win? Hopefully the guy who wins or the girl who wins will be in the live stream, so I'll be more excited, but of course it doesn't matter. So I will try to reach out. Now I'm just saying, if I cannot reach out to the winner and for some reason maybe a couple of days pass and I cannot reach out to the winner, I will need to drop out that winner and get another winner. I will see what I will do in that situation. Hopefully it will not matter, but we'll see. Hopefully I can reach out to the winner. So we'll see. If I don't win, I will be reporting the channel. Yeah. You know, that's what happens. Okay. Yeah, 4 minutes left. Alright, I'm opening the Metahuman here. Hopefully we'll load quick in memory, so let's see. What's up, Galactic Potato? How's it going? My friends, your Dark Souls project characters I can use in my game. Yeah, absolutely. I mean, I got them from Sketchfab, and I linked them in the description, so you want to check out their license. You can. I managed to get everyone that basically are commercial, but you have to. I believe you have to give credit, but you can. Okay, and you can use my blueprints and everything for that. Yeah. Okay, so here we have Cooper, our Metahuman. It's loading in the compiler shaders, so we'll see. Okay. Yeah, so look, I have been noticing this in Unreal Engine 5.2. When you get very close to objects, they glow and they shine like if it was like a party or something like that. Honestly, I don't know why, but it just happens. Hopefully they will fix it. I don't know if I'm the only one who is happening this. Maybe I'm have to change something in the editor settings. I don't know, but hopefully they will be fixing that, you know. Great. So, come on. Have to wait a second. We can also close this. We close this. Close this. Close this. We have our Metahuman. 2 minutes left. Okay. Let's open the. I need to find an epic music. Just a second. I need to find an epic music. Come on, we have to do this like in a cool way, you know. Music. Okay. Okay. Oh my goodness, 2 minutes left, huh? So crazy. Wow. Okay, that was the internet is kind of crashing. Can you hear me, guys?
Internet is kind of crashing.
Okay, now great. Okay, it's okay. That fixed. Okay. Alright, I need to find a cool epic music. Alright, just a second. This is not epic, man. What is this? Really, that's so. This music, man. What music can I get? Epic music. One minute. So probably what I would do is pick a winner and with the music, and right when the winner goes out, I will change the scene and you will see the big there. Okay. So let me just do this over here. Okay, 40 seconds, guys. Ooh, 40 seconds. Okay. Okay, 9 seconds. I'm trying to find the. I think I'm just gonna put this music. And 0. Guys, it is time to draw the winner. Let me start putting the music over here. I don't know. I just found this music, okay? So don't judge me for putting this music. It just appeared and I got it, okay? Warming up. I'm gonna click the button, okay, guys? the winner will show up for me only, and I will put it like in a nice big text. Then I will go ahead and click the screen scene, and the winner will be out. Okay. Am I dramatizing this too much, making it so epic? I don't know, it's cool. Okay. This is the drop, right? Well, just a second, guys. Is this a cool drop? Yeah, okay, great. Okay. I'll make sure that I share the screen in the drop, so it's like cooler. Okay. I'm pressing the button now. Draw one winner, draw. 300 winners can win, okay? I have the winner. I have the winner. Okay. Okay, here it is. Okay, I have the winner. So I have the, what do I have? I have the Discord. Sorry, I have the Twitter. So I will put the Twitter name, okay? So I will put the Twitter name, which is this one. Okay, hopefully in the chat, if not, doesn't matter, but it will be cooler. So I'm putting it in a big text, okay? Sorry about the delay, guys. Okay, here it is. Let me just put a cool icon real quick. Okay. Wait. I will do it in the drop, okay? Sorry. Okay. So, I need to organize myself. It has to be like very fluid, okay? So, are you guys ready for the winner? Okay, so I need to press play on the music. Change into here. Okay, I know what to do. Okay. We're ready. When the draw comes, I will click. And the winner for my first giveaway is the Plan Official. You have officially won my giveaway. Really cool sci-fi environment. I will get in contact with you and you will get this amazing prize. That we use in the chat, guys. That we use in the chat. Thank you for everyone that participated in the game jam. We'll continue to expand, do more giveaways. I said game jam, giveaway in the future as we go. So there we go. The Plan Official. Thanks for participating and everyone that did so. So there we go. Pretty happy. So I will be getting in contact with you right when the live stream finishes. Okay, I will be contacting with you through Twitter. Okay, let me make sure that. So I will be contacting through Twitter, and if in time you don't respond, I will be basically going through your email. Okay, so I will be contacting you through a DM on Twitter, and if you don't respond, I will be emailing you. So yeah, congrats, Plan Official. Thanks for everyone who participated, and I think that we have enough with the epic music. Okay, great. So there we go. Cool. You won the sci-fi pack. Let's go real quick here. Game. Petitions. Finished here. Here we go. As you know, this is the asset. Really cool, as we can see. It has amazing quality. So yeah, as we go, we will be making more live streams. Okay, so live streams, no, giveaways in the future. Okay, so and each time I guess that I'll have to improve myself and do it bigger. So we'll see. Okay, now let's go ahead and continue. Let me put I'm gonna update the text so it says like a giveaway winner, and now instead of the timer set to 0, I will go and put the plan official. So let me quickly enter. Okay, a second. So here, gonna edit that. Okay. So can't duplicate this. I'll just add another text. Where's the text? Here, okay. Plan official. Here we go. Let's make it bigger. And let me hide. How do I hide this here? Is there a way of hiding it? Well, it doesn't matter. I'll just put it here. Here it is. The Flan official 1. As you can see, I just updated it. Okay, so there we go. I don't know if you were in the chat, but if not, like I mentioned before, I will just go ahead and contact you. So there we go. Great, so let's continue with the Uncharted RPG series. No, that's my RPG series. We Uncharted a mini game that we're making. Oh, so it was you, Stealth Shadow. You was in the chat. Okay, so you're the winner. Okay, so you're the Flan official. That is so great, man. You are. Yeah, because you had a different name on YouTube. Man, congrats. Really appreciate that I got to talk with you before. So I guess that I will just contact you through Discord then. Okay? Do you think that through Discord will be just easier, right? Than through Twitter. So I guess I will just send you a message on Discord right after the giveaway, and then you can show me about the marvelous designer. So there we go. Great. I am a loser. No, don't say that. You win another one. Okay, cool. So yeah, we'll go ahead and do more giveaways in the future, of course, guys. All right, so let's go ahead and continue with this. So right now we have the alias migrated into UE 5.2. So now we have to make our Cooper appear. So let's go ahead and get all this. And let's open the character blueprint. Blueprints, character logic, anime. Okay, here it is. This the mesh, and this the body mesh. No, okay, it's this one. So go ahead and copy all this. I think we need to put it inside visual meshes, maybe. Yeah, do it inside a skeleton mesh. So here's everything. Okay. So legs, we just have to reset everything. Here it is, feet 1. Here it is, face. Set this, torso, body. Okay, and the face is left. Hello, quick question. Is the content by Epic on the marketplace is usable for commercial use? Yeah, of course. Everything that is in the marketplace, I believe so. If you purchase it or it's free, if it's in the marketplace, you can use it commercially. I think it's just by standard, you know. I believe so. Okay, I believe so. But trust me in this, I think so. So yeah, don't worry. All the Epic content you can use it on I know for a fact. All the Epic content you can use it for commercial use. Okay, so now we have here the Metahuman. So now we have to basically apply the torso. It's not called torso. Oh, body. This one, is it? I believe this one. Yeah. We have to assign a skeleton, believe so, or not? It's with the UE4 maybe already. And let me just put the money one. It's okay, it's animating. No, the ALS. Sorry. Which one has the? This one? ALS, yes, ALS. Okay, let's put the ALS then. ALS here. Is it moving? Okay. Okay. All right, skeleton mesh. Let's do also with the parent. Wait, this parent. Wait, where did this skeleton mesh appear? What is this skeleton mesh? It should be inside the other one. That's weird. It should be just inside this. Oh my god! Look at the look at the neck. Okay, torso. Why is it like stretched? This is not stretched. That's so weird. Do you see that? Yeah, man. You were in the chat too. That's really cool. Dude, I love you so much for the help. Yeah, interactive grass and polish. Yeah, I can do one of that. I mean, depends on the polish too. For example, you have a marketplace pack. There's maybe a certain way that you have to do it. But for example, the one that I've been using lately, which is the rainforest pack, it comes with an integration with already polish integration. But if you're doing your own grass or using quixel, I can make a tutorial on that. So yeah, I will try to remember and note it down after the live stream. Okay. Okay. Why bow? Where's the bow? Doesn't matter. ALS. Here it is. Okay. Why is it like flying? So weird. Okay. Here we are. Like, what happens if I press play? Okay. Do you know, guys, which skeleton does ALS use? I think it's UE4, right? Character assets, mannequin. We can just check that by going in here. And then going in here. Meshes, skeleton. Spine 0, 1, 2, 3. I think it's just the V5 one, right? I think so. Yeah, let's just do with the V5. So let's go into the into here. Okay, let's select the torso. Let's go and find it. Just right click, go and assign a skeleton. And in this case, it will be the SK mannequin. Oh, ALS comes with its own. Oh, it's missing 2 bones? Doesn't matter. I'll do the trick, I guess. I might break everything. Hopefully not. If not, doesn't matter. But hopefully I will not break it. I'll definitely have to show what I'll do with the back. Yeah, absolutely, absolutely. You want to let me know what you do with the back. Okay. Hopefully I'm not breaking this because it said I was missing bones and stuff. And you know what happens when you miss bones with Unreal Engine. Everything just goes and breaks, basically. Okay. It has been assigned. So now it should correctly follow the animations, maybe? Which one? It's mannequin? I don't know what I'm doing. This is the body. That's working. The torso here, but it's like disappearing. And let's do the legs. So the legs. How is the legs called? Legs. Jeans. Okay, jeans. Let's go to legs. Jeans. Here it is. And then in class, ALS, BP. Okay, they like went inside. I maybe not have to change the thing. Oh, there we go. It's doing it. It's doing it. Why is it's like going like super fast, no? Oh my god. Look at this. Oh, that's interesting. It's like it's accelerated. It's like, look at that. So that's so cool. That's so cool. That's weird. Okay. All right. Let's go ahead and set this to be invisible. And I believe that has the thing of rendering. What was it? Tick. Paused. Always tick on refresh bones. Yeah, that's ticked. Okay. Okay, so this. Okay, so let's apply the thing in the face. So let's go face. Yeah, cover face. And then ALS. Why is it like stretched? I mean, I don't know. That would be fun, I guess. Funny thing too is I'm getting a new work laptop with super specs, so I have to do something quite beautiful. Absolutely, absolutely. You will be able to, you know, use the pack in the maximum splendor, I guess we could say. Damn, that's something. Yeah, that was something interesting that happened there. Yeah, this is interesting. I mean, I kind of liked it. Can someone know what is happening? Why, like, the characters like stretched? Like, oh my goodness, that's scary. Like, honestly, it's like scary. But whatever, you know. Body. This body, I guess, this ALS. What is that? That's my same question. I don't know. I don't know what's that. Why is it like stretched, man? I don't know. I'm very confused right now. I am very confused right now. Okay, what is wrong with the hands? They're like, oh my goodness. I think it's okay. Let me reload, right? Yes, let me reload. So when I assigned the skeleton before and it broke, Oh, I don't know. It seems that was the issue, so let's see if that fixed it. That's kind of weird. That's very interesting. How's it called? Shoes? Feet, shoes. Wait, SHS Oxfords. Okay. And the new class will be ALS. I mean, what I would do. It's missing bones. Doesn't matter. Let's go into the construction script. And let's go. This set leader pose. So we'll do the same. But the target, the new leader will be this. And then the target will be the oldest, basically. Let's see if that manages to join. This is basically like having a set of a parent, so our character can be in separate modular parts. So we'll see. Oh, you can see, guys, it fixed it. I mean, one of many things. It fixed the thing of the super fast going. But I mean, we're having other. What is that he has in the neck? Oh my god. So I think I'm gonna deactivate. It's the, well, no, deactivate not, but change is the in the anime class the IK, so that you can see that's like sliding. This is because of the IK. So we have to go into let's see. Oof, this is the big here. ALS. Of course, it's different. In that case, I will just decide to for now. So I just skip it. Doesn't matter. The IK doesn't matter from now. I might actually fix it, but you can see now he walks. Okay, so the only thing left is like the hair and stuff, and then the his body, which disappears. I don't know if I broke that or not, but let's see. Now all these things needs to go inside the face, and they have to be resetted. Maybe. Oh, it disappeared. Can I copy and paste it? Wait. Oh, it doesn't have hair. Ah, that's really cool. Wait, he has. Oh, you know what? You know why? It's because I have to activate something. So let me do so and I'll restart. What's up, Eleanor? How's it going? I've never used ALS before, as it's too ruggedly like for my test, but how is it? It's very good. You can really get a good locomotion system from the startup. Now, if you want to edit it, it's like a pain because there's so many things that you kind of have to find out a way of doing so. And sometimes it's not the best way, but overall, if you want to have like a cool locomotion system, it's definitely worth it. Okay, compute skin cache. This is what we have to enable. So now I can restart, and hopefully everything will go great as normal. Okay, good. So yes, we are going slow in this live stream. Mainly it's because of my PC and for the problems that we have with Metahuman. But don't worry, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Start rigging the Metahuman to the FPS template, but I get it to work. Okay, yeah, there's a lot of ways doing so. Are you doing like me, kind of? Just dragging the pieces together into the blueprint and then put them as the child, or how are you doing so? Because there are many ways of doing so, you know? Okay, 90%. Come on. And yes, like I mentioned before, right tomorrow we'll have a very important video. No, not important. A very cool video that I've been working on, like I mentioned before. So yeah, and I think that it will be a really cool experience. So we'll see. I'm right now nearly finishing. I just need to do one more thing. What? One more thing. It's like have to like make the final result and then put that into my current video and finish the edition, but it's okay. I'm now downloading Unreal Engine 5.03 and then I make my own game. That's great, Kev. That's great. Yeah, Unreal Engine 5.03 is definitely very stable. I would say the more than 5.2, which is what I'm using now, which is in preview, so definitely a good idea. Yes, UE does crash. That's just what it is. You can just open the Metahuman in Blender and just have the arms and then import the effect. Yes, that's right. You could do so if you're gonna do so, and you can use it with 3ds Max, yeah. But you can actually do it in game and hold the whole body, right? And then you can look down and you will see your body. So that's kind of cool too. Okay, so now we should be able to have the hair, maybe. Maybe we have the hair, maybe not. Should work. Come on, open up. Man, my PC, man. Okay, see? Now we have the hair. It's compiling shaders, maybe. As you can see, but yeah. Okay. Why is the face like this? What is happening with the neck? And what happened with the body? There's this body and there's torso, which they are the same, but is it called a shirt, maybe? Yes, shirt. What is wrong with this guy? It's like the neck. The neck is wrong. It's because of the bones. I mean, it's kind of good like that. It's okay, I guess, maybe. Can we open the head? No, this, yeah, it's mesh. See, it's okay. The bones here, it should be okay, but it's completely broken. Yeah. What resolution do you have when you make videos? I have it in 2K. I tried to make my videos like 2K, so there's, you can see that it text more, I guess we can say more neatly. Is that even a word? But yeah, I do so. It's like in between 1080p and 4K. It's 2K. All right. I guess I will just continue with that sort of back. I don't care. It will be like funny. You know, it will be like funny, I guess. All right, so it is time to make the, let's say that the mission objective. So we'll have a text, we'll say create mission and so on. So let's create a new folder, and this will be blueprints. I do a blueprint actor component. So right click, class actor component ppc underscore and mission objectives. Okay, no problem, fine. So in here with the mission objectives, what we'll do is have a variable of current objective. Basically, this will be a string, and basically we'll have a custom event, is set objective. Great. This will have an input on the new objective with that string, and then when this is done, it will update, and then we'll go ahead and print it so we can see that we have received it. So basically, when we call this event, we can just pass an input and it'll update our current objective. So go back into our character and add this component into it. So ppc mission objectives, and then what we need to do is go back and create another blueprint class, this will be actor BP underscore, and this will be basically objective zone. So when we enter in this zone, it will update the objective. So what we're going to do is just go ahead and put a box collision, and this will change the name to trigger because better name. And then what we can do is go into the component begin overlap, and we'll get the other actor and cast to the alias anim man character. So basically, if it's the player, what we'll do is go get the BPC mission objectives, the component of the mission, and then call the set objective. And then here we can pass any objective. So what we'll do is create a new variable, and this will be the objective of this specific zone. And what we'll do is make it public, so expose it. So basically, when I will drag it in, change the size. Example, let's say that when I jump in here, we'll have a new objective, right? Okay, and then in here in details, you can see that we have our objectives. So here we'll see like eliminate all enemies, for example, right? Just to put something. I go here, I jump. Come on, can you reach inside, man? Hey, can you do parkour or something? Oh, because of the layers, we haven't changed the. Okay, well, let me put it bigger then. And you can see that we have eliminate all enemies on there that you saw, so it's working. So now we have to make some UI, so let's go ahead and do so. Right click, folder, UI. Can you do what did you do? Yeah, I mean the video, now the video will be saved, so you can see it later. So that will be no problem. It's hard to see the text on the UE5 tutorial video. Can you make them at 1080? Yes, look, the problem is that my monitor is at 4K and I record in 2K. So, because my monitor is in 4K, the size of the things are smaller because more resolution is available, so I can fit more things on the screen at a smaller size, and I can still, they can still be displayed with the same quality. The thing is that when you then see it on another resolution as 1080p, then that small text becomes a bit blurred because of the quality resolution. So, as you guessed, basically goes ahead and, wait.
You could make it big anywhere in the world.
Okay, we have an ad right now.
The thing is that.
Okay, sorry, we have the now.
Okay, sorry, we have the now.
It's crazy. Well, here, what are you saying, man? No, I'm not gay, okay? No.
Well, here, what are you saying, man? No,
Yeah, he's a kind of a friend. Yeah, he's joking. Okay, so yeah, but the thing is that I can make the resolution like 1080p, but there's a few things that will change. Like it will still be seen as the same quality pretty much, but I'll see what I can do about it. Anyway, so now I can go into widget. It's widget WP underscore. And it's gonna be the objective. Let's open this, and now we can go into canvas panel. What's up, Osiris? In this live, we are making an Uncharted game. Well, Uncharted, basically the main features of an Uncharted game. Like for example, locomotion, mission objectives, enemies, so on. Of an open world RPG game, kind of. I mean, it's not fully open world, but you get the idea. So now let's get text. It's gonna be a current objective. font. Okay, so now we can put this on 35 maybe. And then we can duplicate the text. And now this will be like, for example, get this. Just to like have a mock. Okay, so now I can make this smaller and change the governor opacity to be like this. And what is this message? Did it crash? Oh, the other one crashed. Okay. And now we have this text. So now this will be the objective text block, and this will be its variable. So now at the start, the event graph, we'll go into the begin play. Oh, it's not okay. I can just add a begin play then, and we'll go ahead and create the thing. So create widget. It will be the one that we have just created. Get player controller, and then we can go and just add to the viewport. Now what I want to do is save this in a variable. So this will be the objective widget. I just put this over here, put this here, and like this. Gonna be unavailable for now. Have to go to the best for my dog. He took oh man, sorry to hear that. No worries, Flam, no worries. No worry, I'll reach out to you later on, okay? Hopefully everything's fine with your dog. So in here, what to do is save it as a variable, so it will be added to screen. So now if I press play, yes, the guy's deformed. Okay, don't worry. We'll see the UI, current objective. So, yeah, so a problem that we are having is that we need to call the begin play parent. And begin play, no. This, sorry, call to parent, because now we're overriding because it's a child, so we will not move. There we go, current objective. So now what we can do is when we go in here, we can, instead of printing it, we can cast to the ALS animan character BP, and then from the get player character, and then we can get this and say get WB objective, and then get the text block, and then set the text. And then the current objective will go in here, so you will see that it will update the thing. So you can see current objective this, you just get this, which is a default thing, it will be empty. You just go here, and then it says elemental enemies. We can play a sound even, so everything's working. You think you are able to show us how to make a 5v5 game, teams, gun skins, shop, etc. I have planned, I mean, because it has been requested, making like a shooter team deathmatch, like kind of mini series game. So I will see when I can do so, but that will be cool. Are you looking more into first person, third person stuff? So let's also play sound here, sound 2D, and we'll use this is good. So we have like a feedback that we have, I know, new mission. Elemental enemies, there we go. Pretty nice, okay. I mean, it's okay. Alright, so let's start to make the block out of the level. So let's make a new level. Let's go into basic. Let's go ahead, and there's gonna be this. Okay, let's go ahead, get a shape, a cube, and then when I have this, just like later on we'll import quixel assets. I mean, probably that will be the next live stream. We'll continue with this, but let's get the rock grid. There you go. Let's get this. It's gonna be like an entrance, you know. So you can do it like this. It's gonna be. There's gonna be basically like rocks and stuff, you know. We'll continue. Go into the right a bit. Okay, so like this. This is like the block out. Okay, now we can add some cubes to add some depth into it. So rock grid again, and then we can stretch this, put this down, something like this. This, and then like this. And like this, rotate it backwards. Okay, so now we can see that we have a bit of the level sensation going on, I guess we could say, you know. So we need to change the game mode, but you get the idea. So this will be in the future, like rocks and stuff, you know. Let's change the game mode to the ALS game mode single player. Let's change the mode to just level. Save it there. And there we go. Great. So yeah. Hey Gorka, I love your RPG series. What are you making? Thank you, man. I'm glad that you are enjoying the RPG series. So I'm making an exploration game, kind of type of Uncharted. Of course, not Uncharted. You know, the main mechanics of a game like that, you know, locomotion, mission objectives, enemies, level design, and so on. That's pretty much it, you know. So yeah, let's also make like a big tower in depth, you know. This, go here. This, like this, okay. This. And like this. Okay. And then here what we can do but this will be like this, and then like you change and you have to go down the staircase. Okay. Alright. What's up, Multish? How's it going? Let's go ahead and put this like this. So you can see my great artistic block out designer skills in the works here. You can see how this really taking like a triple A sensation, of course. Yeah. This is, I mean, you get the idea, I guess. You get the idea. There we go. Look at me have like a tower here. Like this. Okay. And we're gonna have a blueprint here, so when you start the game, the objective, so we like you start and you have the beginner quest of get to the marker, and we'll have a marker in the distance there. So for example, we're to start, let's get a player start here. Please start. We'll start. Oh, because if you already start in this zone, it doesn't trigger. So we'll have to just put it right in front. Sorry, not that. Here. Right in front. Not that. Can I get... There we go. Yeah, man. A3 2023 is cancelled. I can't believe it. Like, that's one of the best moments of the summer, you know. Literally. Like, come on. Getting excited new tech. games, announcements. That's the best thing. And they can sell it, man. But whatever, you know. A lot of studios will be doing their own events. Why doesn't trigger? Let me inside. Okay, now yes. Get to the marker. Great. Alright guys, so I think I will be leaving the live stream here. We got some good sensations going over here. We basically advanced a lot. And yeah, we'll be doing more giveaways in the future, of course. Yeah, so stay tuned for tomorrow. A cool video will be coming out hopefully tomorrow. Right now finishing up, so there we go. And we'll see you later. And what are you planning on doing the next RPG series? So in the next episode, we'll continue with the equipment system, of course. And we'll basically make that, we'll collect that data from the equip slot. Right now you equip the slot, we'll get the data and transfer it into the character so you can have the sword that you have equipped right now, and so on. So that's what we'll do in the next episode, okay? And we'll see how it goes. So you guys, if you enjoy the live stream, go ahead and like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and you know, follow me on my socials. Go ahead and join the Discord servers. You can talk with other devs, and you can talk to me and share your progress, ask questions, and so on. So we'll see you later. Congrats to Flan for winning the giveaway, and you know, to everyone that basically participated. Thanks a lot. We'll see you soon, tomorrow again, or later on in Discord. So we'll see. Have a great rest of the day. Thank you, Steady State. You too. Enjoy the rest of the day, and see you soon. Bye, guys. Bye. And bro.